Right now, we're looking at and working on what is a statistical question, and we had you fill out that schoolwork data sheet with the different number of minutes that certain students worked on schoolwork for the day. And with this data, you're going to have to make a box and whisker plot, a stem and leaf plot, as well as a histogram. Well, a histogram is really hard to draw in Google Draw. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this Google Sheet. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select the data that I want for my histogram. I'm going to go up here and I'm going to click Insert Chart. Now, it's going to give you a random chart here, but over here we can select chart type. If I scroll to the bottom-ish, I find where the histogram is. So if I click on histogram, it changes the chart and it puts the correct data in there. As long as I've already selected my data, I don't have anything else to do. I can come over here then and I can move my chart to wherever it's at, or wherever I want it to be. Now, you're also going to have to maybe answer a few questions. So remember that these are called bins, these columns are, and this is really 20 to 29, because if you remember from a while back, basically one of the first lessons of the year, if it lands on 30, it actually goes into the bin 30 to 39. So just keep that in mind when you're looking at these questions. So for number one, it says, how many students worked on schoolwork between 30 and 39 minutes? Well, 30 to 39 is going to be here, and that answer is 4. To be able to edit or answer the questions, you need to make sure you double click. How many students worked on schoolwork for more than an hour? Well, think about 60, this is all minutes, so 60 minutes would be here. So more than an hour looks like there was one student. And then students studied for more than 29 minutes. Well, what I need to do here is I need to come up here. This is the 29-minute spot, so I'm going to do all of the students that are above this. How many studied more than 29? So 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 1 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So 9 students would have studied for more than 29 minutes. And that's all you need to do. It's really easy to make the graph. Just go up and insert a chart, select the correct chart, and then answer a few questions.